Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
I'm getting another job dropped off, y'all. Y'all can see I got a Monte Carlo CL coming from Texas. Pulled up. He messaged me on YouTube, asked me about doing some work for him. I sent him my email. We started communicating through email. Here's the transport company. But we got the business going. Got it shipped to me. Now we finna pull it off the trailer. But it looked like it's in good condition, to be honest with you. I don't know why he wanted to paint it, but I'm gonna take care of it. She got the weird wood brakes. Look like it's been frame knots as well. But once you get down, I'll cut you back on. Got it done up under here. QA1, like 4 9-inch. It's nice. I think he said the car came from New York. I don't know if he did all this work himself, but Coilovers. No. Yeah. It's QA1 now. He gonna put some money up in this. Like, get off. It's fine.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. We gotta. Yeah, I'll pull it up where it need to be. got up under here. And let's swap. What you think about it, Pete? Nice, ain't it? Interior is in good shape. He said he's gonna get his interior redone though, but I think it's in good shape, to be honest with you. Wipers on. What size heads you say? 317? Yeah. Yep, 317 heads. Well, for 6.0.
Think it's 6.0?
I don't know, it might be. I need to ask him. Yeah, he got some money put in this here. All QA1 Suspension. Billet Specialist. 6 pistons in the front, wheel wood. He got 4 pistons in the back. Slider and drilled rollers. It's been frame knots already. Yeah, he ready to ride. Like got the emergency brake cable on it. Let me open the trunk. What's that? That's what it is? A 5.3?
That's what he said.
How you figure that out?
Size heads.
Oh, he got a little. Oh, you talking about the size heads? A little Alpine speaker, Alpine amp. Like some 6x9 Scar Audios. Something simple. Simple and clean. Yeah. Got the factory in here. Factory jack. Yeah, it look like it's been taken good care of over the years. Seems like I've been getting Monte Carlos left and right lately. Everybody got a Monte Carlo now. I supposed to be getting another one pulling up today from Huntsville, but he ain't showed up yet. Which I already got another project. I got a OBS came yesterday. So I'm getting a lot of projects now. Trying to get all this work done so I can start on mine. So y'all stay tuned. I forgot to mention what we're going with for us to paint. I don't know, he just wanted to go back with a dark gray. We're gonna go with a dark gray metallic. Look like that's what's on here now. Some sort of metallic. And he want me to remove the rally stripes. So I'll be removing those. It ain't really that much damage on it, but you can see the hood. Need some body working up in here. It's a lot of dings and dents. Some rust spots here and there. Gotta be grinded down, the brown metal. It's just minor stuff. Also here, it's starting to crack like I did on that box Chevy. I gotta weld that back together. But it ain't nothing major. Chips here and there. I should be able to find all the dings and dents because the paint somewhat still shining, so that'll help me out. The bumper gotta be work, paint peeling. And right here, it's somewhat trying to rust out. The paint bubbling, so I'm gonna have to take this down to bare metal and see what's the problem, because if I don't treat that, it's just gonna keep coming back. Should be a pretty easy job, nothing major. Gotta work this some because I see a lot of imperfections, ways. But once I get it pulled around to the shop, I'll start taking everything off. Then we'll know much more what's got to get done. Paint peeling up here. Little stretch marks. Also something up here I seen. This is gonna have to be taken down. The metal, brown metal, a little rust.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.
Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from